I want to start this video by showing you some of my very early work. I went today to pick up art from this local place that I'd sold at. I hadn't brought new art in a long time, and this is like 3 years old. So it is very interesting to see how I have grown in regards to fluid painting. I actually still think this one's pretty cool. And this one I embellished with these little doodad things. And this one I like as well. This one I did a bunch of flingies to. This one is actually really cool. Check out these awesome cells. Isn't that amazing? And it's like that throughout the whole thing. It's so cool. And then this, one of my maybe my fourth pour. And then I've got that. And if you would like a piece of, quote, ancient and art, give me a holler. Oh, and then this is the piece I did on the last video. And it looks like waves to me, cascading waves. I really like it. Oh my God, I have this behemoth in front of me, which I'm working on. Oh my gosh. I need to move it. I'm running out of room. Again, remember my Etsy store, 40% off. And especially now, since I brought home probably 50 paintings from that shop. There we go. There's so much stuff on the floor. I'm like a walking disaster. So I'm going to do a straw. Use my straw on this. I like the airbrush. I like the hair dryer, but the straw gives results different than either of those can achieve. So this is an 8x10 canvas, and I'm about to pour on my white paint. This time it is ARTEZA. ARTEZA paint, titanium white, and Floetrol and water. My torch is on the other side of the room because I had to resin the painting that sold. Tonight I'm going out to dinner at a place that is right next to the dollar store, so I'm hoping to replace this. The last dollar store I went to did not have that exact one, and I want that exact one. So hopefully they have it tonight, because I could wash it out, but it's so far gone. Sometimes worth it to spend the extra buck. Literally. Oh my God. Well, that was not supposed to happen at all. I don't even know how that happened. I was just not paying attention. I was thinking about the dollar store. And when I tipped my hand to get it back in, I obviously tipped it too hard. So that first color was ARTEZA Rose, which there is now a ton of. The blue was ultramarine. I decided I'm going to put an orange on here, which is just a self-mixed bunch of oranges and self-mixed reds. There's so much paint now. Does not seem to go with the rest. None of that stuff seems, I like this bottom part better. Let's see if I can tip it all the way and then bring it back without an issue. We're gonna see. I'm guessing, I don't know. Now let's see. I think so. Ooh, I like it so much better without that. And I like that there's still a bright rose color at the top. Whoa. There's something there. I am pleased with this one. Alright, I'm coming to you. Walking over all my junk. In the middle of collage making. I really like it. And I hope you do too. I don't know why it seems so dull. There we go. Well, that's a little overexposed, but gives you a better idea. And there it goes. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.